Health Zone presents habits that ruin your beautiful smile. Some of the habits you do may ruin your teeth and give you a reason not to smile. Quitting the following may keep your teeth in tip-top form and allow you to flash your smile trouble-free. 1. Cigarette smoking. There are many reasons why smoking can keep you from smiling. The habit leaves your pearly whites stained. It also increases your risk of developing periodontal disease as well as cancer of the lips, mouth and tongue. And cigarette smoking also leaves your breath reeking. 2. Relentlessly snacking, especially on starchy foods. Whenever you eat, your mouth's pH level drops and it becomes acidic. It causes the enamel, the white and hard substance covering each tooth, to soften and get eroded. Eating 3 to 4 meals daily should not pose a problem as the mouth is given enough time to go back to having a normal pH level. 3. Using your teeth as all-around tools. Your teeth are primarily made for chewing food. Those choppers of yours are not in your mouth to be used as adhesive tape cutters, bottle cap twisters, nut crackers, plastic bag openers, etc. Using your teeth for things other than masticating can leave them cracked and chipped, instantly ruining your smile. 4. Drinking a lot of fruit juices. There's no denying that fruit juices are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. However, they are naturally loaded with sugar too. Opt for fruit juices with added refined sugar to make them taste even better, and you are only inviting lots of bacteria and plaque to form and ruin your pearly whites. 5. Consuming soda. It's no secret that soda contains plenty of sugar that is bad for your teeth and oral health in general. Does switching to sugar-free soda make the fizzy beverage okay for your pearly whites? Not really. There are a couple of other ingredients found in soda that is terrible for your teeth. Citric and phosphoric acids, to name a few. 6. Having plenty of your favorite java. The black color of coffee may actually leave your teeth stained. Tannins in coffee are the ones responsible for robbing your choppers of their gleaming white color. It's not just coffee that has tannins, but also tea. If you want to keep your teeth out of harm's way, drink coffee and tea in moderation. 7. Munching on ice. Dental experts say that one of the leading causes of chipped tooth is chewing on ice. The cold temperature of ice and its brittleness is a bad mix, especially when you attempt to break it into small pieces using your teeth. It's not just ice that you should ditch munching on, but most other things that are simply too brittle. 8. Brushing your teeth like there's no tomorrow. Refrain from assuming that the harder you brush, the whiter and shinier your teeth will become. Brushing too vigorously can do more harm than good because it may only erode the teeth's enamel and make your teeth sensitive and prone to getting discolored. Brush gently each time and use a soft bristle toothbrush. 9. Biting your nails. Nail biting is a habit you should start avoiding if you don't want to end up with a less than perfect smile. Biting your nails can weaken the teeth and put them at risk of cracking or chipping. It's not just your nails that you should quit biting, but any other thing that isn't edible. If you have the urge to bite or chew something, opt for gum. If the video was helpful, press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching. Smile.